Hello everyone. I didn't want to have to make this video, but I'm sort of stuck. It's the only way I'm going to make this work. When I started this channel around 7 months ago, back in October, I set a goal of, by the middle of summer to try to get to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. These are lines in the sand that YouTube draws. If you get past that, then you can become an official channel, right? You can get monetized. It'll be easier for me to seek sponsors. I would like to at least have it self-sustaining. There's a lot of time and energy and money that I put into this channel, and I'm hoping to at least make it so that I don't spend as much as I am spending on it. So what does this mean to you? Well, it means one thing only. To those of you who are subscribers, thank you very much. You've gotten me much closer, and I'm at 768, I think, or so at the time of this recording. So I'm getting pretty close. But I've got nearly 100,000 views in the last 7 months. I know that a great deal of those, I can tell statistically just from the numbers they give me, are not subscribers. So if you've watched my channel once or twice or gotten a kick out of it or a chuckle, or maybe you watch it to get information, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is the only thing I ask. This will remain a free channel, right? Again, if I don't hit that mark, if summer finishes up here and I'm still struggling to get to 1,000, well, I may have to kind of not put much energy into this channel anymore, and I don't want to do that. I really enjoy this, but I've got to make it a little self-sustaining. I do have a day job. I do have a bunch of other duties. I sit on a housing association council, and this channel is just another time requirement for my time, my scant time that I have available. So this will really help. Again, click the subscribe button. That's all I'm asking you to do. I'm not asking you to click the notification. I'm not asking you to buy anything. Just click subscribe. It would really help me out. Thank you very much, and I really do hope to keep this channel going for the next few years at least. See you, everyone. Thanks for your support.